want to share something very personal. There was a time when exam pressure, stress, and menstrual cramps became very overwhelming. So I thought I could use pain relief medicine to manage the pain. So I started taking the pain relief to manage the pain. Then it became an addiction that I could not even stand pain for even a second. So it became an addiction and I regretted my action.